Okay, so this is definitely new. This is definitely new. This snack zone right here. Okay, Dollar Tree now selling name brand stuff like the Doritos and everything. Honey Chill, what about this Frappuccino? Okay, this I love coming to Dollar Tree so much. It's like a stress reliever, okay? Oh my goodness. When you see all the new different items, okay, really, really good. So they have right here, I told you guys this last time, the coconut oil, and I guess this is a plus at Dollar Tree or customers' favorites, one of customers' favorites, because people do absolutely love this. Now, they also have this right here, the blemish patches, which is really, really good, absorbs oil and residue, helps clear blemishes overnight while you sleep, targets problem. This is the first time that I have seen this, and this is non-medicated. They also have the Dermasil, which I showed you guys this last time, the tannin solution, which is really, really good as well. They also have this body balm jelly stick, okay, which is really good. I guess just put it on your body and stuff, just a stick, just rub it all over your body, okay, for those ashy days, okay? All right. They also have this softy. So I told you guys last time about this. I definitely had got some of this growth oil, okay, and so far so good. Then they also have this age-defy dark circles and puffiness serum, okay. Also some more Dermasil. Okay, they have a lot of Dermasil, so much here. Okay, the cocoa butter one, the exfoliate and facial scrub. This is the first time I'm seeing a facial scrub here. Then they also have the conditioner. We had seen that last time. And then they have this right here, pharmaceutical research controls even severe dry skin. Okay, lipid and EFA treatment, honey, don't get me the line, okay, what that is, okay, all right. Then I have seen this in a few other Dollar Trees, this persistent body acne exfoliator and cleanser wash, okay. So this is pretty much what they have over here. When I tell you I get excited about coming to Dollar Tree because it's always the hunt for me. And if you are going through something, honey, come to Dollar Tree, okay? They have so many new items. It is so worth it, okay? Really, really worth it. Peace, family, peace, peace, peace. Okay, so we back for another Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys are having such an amazing day. If not, do understand and get that your day is going to get better once your perception gets better. Yesterday, whew, okay, we ain't gonna talk about that. Okay, yesterday was interesting at Trenton. Okay, but today we are in Union City, and let's go inside. First up, I guess this is the item of the week right here. These sodas, oh my goodness. Okay, now haven't been drinking sodas, okay, but these are so good. All right, and then they have some Pure Life 6-pack waters. Okay, so this Dollar Tree, they have brought more solo steak lights in. Okay, these are so cute. Okay, and then a ghost over here, very cute. I love this. You over here though. All right, they also have these socks right here. I absolutely love these socks, especially in the winter time. They feel so good. Okay, so Okay, so they have these $5 pillows right here. They're all really soft and comfy. Oh, they feel so good. Okay, so they also have these trays right here. I absolutely love these. These are so cute. All right, along with the glasses and along with the cups over here. They also have these plates, these saucers that says grateful, and then they also have these bowls right here. These table mats are absolutely gorgeous, really nice. Now, with these little trays here, they also have the plates, which are really cute, especially for the holidays that's coming up. Okay, so Dollar Tree also have these tinsel decor, which is really, really cute. The pumpkin and then a little witch hat that says boo. Absolutely gorgeous. They also have these little skeletons over here, which are cute skeleton garland. Very, very cute. Okay, so this is also new right here for this store, the bed. I think we've seen that before, but they also have the ghost over here. And then check this out with the pumpkin, okay? Three-faced pumpkin. Okay, really, really cute with the beds. And then they have the tinsel decor with the spider and the web. Oh, child, it's so, so cute. They also have these giant eyes right here. This is really, really cute. Honey's talking about Halloween spirit. And Amani is like, look at this. Okay, so these are party favors with the fingers. Really, really cute.
All these cool witch stuff.
Okay, so they have so many party favors over here. So many. They have the eyeballs. They have the Halloween pencils. Okay, the palm bones. Then they have the pens. Really, really cute.
Let's see how much.
They also have the eyeballs right here. Really, really cute. And who remember these back in the day? Okay, trying to get the little ball inside the thing. Okay, so Dollar Tree also have this candy holder. Really, really cute. Okay. Oh my goodness. You're talking about Halloween spirit. This is definitely it. And then I had showed you guys these. Okay. This is new for this Dollar Tree here. This is like a gumball machine or something. Or you could put candy and stuff in here. And then you can turn this, okay, and the candy and stuff comes out. This is really, really cute for on a porch and stuff. Okay, so one of the things that I absolutely love about Dollar Tree, when it comes to the arts and crafts, they stay with new items, okay? So right here, they have the 6-piece glitter bags, which are $1.25. They also have the 5 little small jars, which are $1.25 as well. And then they also have these sponge dabbers, okay? And then along with some brush sets that are $1.25. Okay, so they have the pumpkin and acorn trinket box, which are really, really cute. These just came in and they come in white, also in brown, and then also the pumpkin orange. Very cute. They also have these little containers right here, these storage bins with the little flat tops. This is really, really cute. Really cute. And it comes in blue, and they also have gray, and they also have black. Now, these containers, storage little bins, bags, whatever you want to call them, they are absolutely gorgeous. I love these, but it don't look like they have any more this color here, but they did come in this blue and then black also, and then also in gray they have. Okay, so Dollar Tree have these Reed diffusers, apple cinnamon, and they have quite few here. I think they just put these out. This is really good for $1.25. Not bad at all. Okay, so you guys remember the incense Buddha that I had purchased a few times ago? They have this incense tray right here. Okay, they come in different colors. They have the white, the black, and also the gray. Okay, so they have the Victoria's Secret body wash along with the lotion. Okay, the lotion, as you can see, honey, is all one left. Okay, the body wash, they still have quite a bit that's still left. Okay, and I told you guys already, I have bought the scrub. The scrub is, I like the Love Spell one, is good, and the Cherry Blossom is good, but it's not as strong as the Love Spell. Okay, so Dollar Tree also have these non-slip rug underlays, which is really, really good for the rug, so it don't be slipping and moving all around. I remember when I was working at Home Depot, okay, and they sold non-slip for under the rugs. Honey, it definitely was not no $1.25. Okay, so Dollar Tree have these new eye masks, okay, that they just put out not too long ago. They also have these nails, okay. Ooh, fancy, honey. Look at this, okay. Look at this case they got this in. Very nice. I absolutely love this. I absolutely love this. This is really, really cute. False nails. Very nice. Then they also have these head massagers, chow. Okay, look at this. Really, really cute. They have a different one over here. They come in different colors. Okay, the tips. And then how about these, child? The cosmetic bags. Really, really cute. Vacay, I know that's right. Okay. Then they also have the Let's Go. All right. And then they also have the little makeup sponge with case. How cute is this? Very, very cute for $1.25. You cannot beat that at all. They also have these mini sponge 4-pack, really, really cute, okay, and it comes in different colors. I have seen these mini sponges 4-pack at different Dollar Trees as well, but these are cute. I tell you, this is one of the most amazing things about Dollar Tree, because when you come here, you're going to see something new each and every time, and it's just like really, really cool. Okay, so Dollar Tree, honey, they are okay with me. They even have these day liners with organic cotton, 18 count. Child, you better get on down to Dollar Tree. Okay, so last time I had grabbed one of these pads right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab me another pad right here. I haven't tried these yet. I know they are like the dupe, okay. But I'm gonna go ahead and grab me another pack of this. $1.25 for 10 count. Honey, I was going to those stores and spending like $11 or $14 for some pads when I could have just came and got organic cotton. Come on now. Make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, and I catch you guys on the next one. What was your favorite thing before we go, chill? What was your favorite thing at the Dollar Tree? What my favorite thing was their snack zone. I'm impressed, okay? Really impressed with Dollar Tree.